and I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram logo in Canva. So first thing first, before this, what I'm gonna recommend you is go to Google and let's type in Insta, just for the reference. We just want it for the reference. Let's choose this one over here. Let's simply copy the image and let's go to Canva and paste it over here. So I'm just reminding you, this is just for a reference. So we are going to create exactly this logo on our own in Canva, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's go to Elements and let's type in leave a rectangle. I don't sorry, I don't like it. Yeah, delete. Just the square I use. Yeah, this will do. This is perfect. And likewise, I need another square, something like this. Maybe I can simply duplicate this one, but I want it to be a bit like smaller, so maybe a bit bigger than this. Yeah, this looks perfect. And I need a circle as well. Now let's type in circle in this shape. Wait, yeah, it's right here. And yeah, I just need a circle. Where is it? I did it right here. And yeah, so yeah, there you go. This is the circle. I need it to be a bit smaller. So okay, this is so confusing. I'm just gonna change the color just for now. Eventually I'm gonna change it to the instrument. So yeah, for now I'm just like creating these shapes, like how it works. Yeah, that was a shape, and this will align this. Yeah, perfect. And I think I need one more circle, so yeah, let's go over here and duplicate the circle. This time a very small, tiny, yeah, over here. Perfect. So I mean, you can see the image, right, where this is going. So all we need to do is it's gonna be larger a bit. Yeah, this is perfect. So what I'm gonna do now is simply change the color. So let's type in here and let's go to the color. And what I'm going to do right now is pick color. Go over here and let's say I need this glue over here. And let's go to the gradient, and over here you need this, and let's say over here this is a different, so I need this, and I need one more gradient. It would be over here. Yeah, I mean, not really, but this is not like it. Maybe this one over here. I need this. Yeah, it's coming along. Maybe if I rotate this, it will be more like, yeah, should totally do that. How many was 90? Yeah. And let's go to the inner circle. I guess I can simply duplicate this one. I don't know. Yeah, I could totally do that. Okay. Let's delete this one for now. And let's simply duplicate this one. And yeah. Okay, let's take this circle out for now. And let's align this properly. And one thing is that we need to give the border, so the border is like very white. So let's go to the white part. Yes, coming along. Don't worry about that. Coming along. And yeah, let's keep this over here. Yeah, let's make this a border as well. And I don't know, the border colors should be like white. Yeah. Okay, the thing is that circle is like coming up. Maybe I should make a different circle now. Okay, let's go back to the circle. And yeah, again, let's keep it to the center. And let's make it a border. The border can be like white. Yeah. And let's change this color. Color can be like this. Over here. Yeah, sounds good. Now let's change the color of this circle since it's white. The white. And let's give it no, wait. By the way, I need to duplicate this one over here. And let's keep this circle over here. Border color none. So it may take a while since we're going to duplicate this. It's a bit like beautiful work, but don't worry, we're coming through. So over here, and there you go, we have made an Instagram logo on our own. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Although it's not exactly the same, but if you put in more effort, then you can see definitely make a good Instagram logo. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.